Dominion Resources is one of the largest energy companies in the U.S. We serve 2.4 million electric customers in Virginia and North Carolina, 1.2 million natural gas customers in West Virginia and Ohio. We have about 27,000 megawatts of generation. We are the largest generator in New England, and we have natural gas storage and pipeline. So just so you get a feel, we have deployed the smart grid, and I'll talk to you a little bit today about our approach and really what's happening with the smart grid. The smart grid is emerging based on a number of drivers, and I just want to point out a few that are somewhat different. One is the change in customer expectations and this whole generational view. As you know, if you've been around younger folks or children that you have, they're very used to using technology, having information at their fingertips to make decisions, and also just so they understand what the opportunities are. So this is something that they expect to have the ability to control. Also, the information and energy technology convergence. This is really a powerful combination where we now have the ability with the smart grid to gather information about the grid and about energy consumption and energy use on the grid. And then the other is the non-utility market entrants. You see the Google, Microsoft, IBM, Hewlett-Packard. If you attend any energy industry conferences where you bring utilities together, you all of a sudden have these new participants, which is amazing and just shows the interest in the energy sector by these other, I would say, non-traditional participants. So there has been a lot of automation from the central power plant to the substation. That has been going on in the utility world for years and years. So only problem is that is limited in there's one-way communication to the customer, but a lot of automation at the transmission level. That has started, if you look at the right-hand axis where it says existing grid, that means that that's where we had our automation and we had our focus, from the central power plant to the substation. You layer on top of that AMI, the advanced metering infrastructure, and getting these smart grid, these smart meters at the customer location, that forms the basis for many other applications. So once you get that in place, then you can move towards all types of additional capabilities that give you much more intelligence on the grid. But first and foremost, it is to upgrade your grid, so to speak, by getting these meters out there so that you have the information flow.